So, hello all. Today's video we'll see about. We already discussed a lot about this Arduino and how it works. So now we'll just see, like as we discussed in last class, what are the types of Arduino boards available. We'll discuss three important Arduino boards here. So Arduino offers a wide variety of boards, each like suited to different types of projects. First is Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is one of the most popular and widely used board. As I told last class, how do you connect with this Arduino Uno? It is used for beginners project, robotics, home automation, especially and for prototyping. Arduino is a great starting point for those who are like, if anything related to electronics, just grab it. They just this is saying like if anything is related to electronics, go grab a Arduino. And Arduino Nano is a smaller, more compact version of this Uno. It's based on same 80 mega 328p microcontroller, but it comes in smaller package, suitable for project with space constraints and so on. So it is a wearable project. Applications are in it's used in wearable projects due to its small size. Arduino Nano, as the name suggests, is smaller than Uno. It's often used in electronics, smartwatch, fitness tracker, and all those. Embedded system, it is commonly used in embedded system where size and power efficiency are important. Also used in IoT projects. Arduino Mega, it is like 2560, is more powerful and features are rich bordered compared to Uno and Nano. It is equipped with 80 mega 2560 microcontroller. Advanced robotics, the Mega 2560 is perfect for larger robotic projects. The many sensors and actuators need to be controlled. 3D prints, this board is frequently used in 3D printing and large scale automation. It is used in large scale automation and also in data logging. So next is we'll see about heart. Yes, this is one of the important topic as well. What is this heart and what is this Zigbee and how things work? First of all, let me just tell you the definition and abbreviation of this HART. It is Highway Addressable Remote Transducer. So, what is this Highway Addressable Remote Transducer? H is like each device. Highway means each device has its specific address. Okay, highway means every like many devices. We are only speaking about hardware devices here in IoT and also the sensor. So every device has been connected here and has its own specific address. So HS highway means network of services. Highway means network of services. Addresses every particular um, device has its own address. What is this R? It is a remote. It means it can be accessed from anywhere in the world. And T is for transducer. So it has to measure different parameters for industry depending upon the application for which industry we are using. It just measures the different parameters. So what happens is point-to-point digital communication between field and devices at like central control system that takes place. So what is the advantages of this HART? It is a hybrid analog and digital industrial automation open protocol. This HART, this hybrid analog and digital automation is for open protocol and it can communicate over a legacy of 4 to 20. This 4 to 20 MA is very important and compared to this heart. We'll just see it with a very small example. Just consider a water tank. Maybe water is very low in that tank, maybe like up to 20 centimeters water has filled. We have the capacity of 100 centimeters. So this 20 is like low range and 100 centimeter is like upper range and this particular low range, this is the starting point where we call it as this 20 centimeter capacity has filled. So in the sense 20%, this is 4 and the maximum is 20 MA and it uses a master slave architecture. That is, it can get input from multiple masters. It's a master slave, so it gets input from multiple masters. This method is used for transmission of industrial parameters. This current loop is 4 to 20 MA as we already discussed. And Zigbee both are widely used in industrial communication systems. So but they serve different purposes, operate in distinct environments and so on. Below is the detailed difference between this HART and ZigBee. It is ZigBee is wireless, whereas HART is wired. HART is used in very big automation and industries places, whereas ZigBee is used in even home automations, etc. So as I told, HART primary uses industrial process control and diagnostic, whereas ZigBee is home building automation, IoT, smart devices, etc. HART means it is like point to point. Here it follows mesh network. Data rate is very low in HART, whereas in ZigBee it is higher. Industrial plants process automation. Here smart homes start. Low range wired system. Here short range is there. Limited to industrial control system. Here it is high interoperability in IoT. So these are the main differences, and we'll just see what is the ZigBee. ZigBee is designed for wireless communication in IoT with low power mesh networking and short range communication. It is commonly used in smart homes, building automation, asset tracking, etc. So it is especially focused on home automations, and art is focused on industrial automations. Next, we'll just see about. We'll just see one more concept here. What is this advantage of using 4 to 20 mA? So 1 2 amps 24-volt DC power supply can drive dozens of sensor. So it is like used for long distance data transmission. This particular heart is used for long distance data transmission. It has a very important feature which is live zero feature. It means if you get 0 MA, then there is some disconnection. Like as I told, we are speaking about this 4 to 20 MA. The measurement will be from 4 to 20 MA. In case we get the output as 0 MA in any of the measurement, it means there is some mistake in this, because as I told, whichever is the low range, that for that low range we'll be getting our output as 4, because 4 is the range. 4 to 20 is our range. In spite of that, if we get 0 MA as an answer, then we can easily find out, like that is called as the live zero feature here. So this live zero feature is used for in industries for transmission of parameters, for sensors to controllers. Uh, there is one particular problem with this 4 to 20 MA, which is that it can send only one value at a time. This 4 to 20 MA, this particular feature can send, it has one limitation, that is it can send only one value at a time. Let's consider the telephone communication. Sound waves are converted into analog signals. We all know that in a telephone communication, sound waves are converted into analog signals. So, heart layer, we'll just see what are these heart layers: physical, data link, and application. In this physical layer, physical connections are done, and data layer, it's a medium of access. Application layer, formatting of data is done, and Zigbee, it just creates for controlling and sensing the network. Then packet-based protocol is there. In Zigbee is used for creation and controlling the sensing the network. In packet-based protocol, secure, reliable, power like low power wireless network. This wireless technology that allows smart devices to communicate with each other. What is the Zigbee? The Zigbee is a wireless technology that allows smart devices to communicate with each other. So I think we'll just wind up this, and we'll just see. We have just covered almost all the topics, and I hope you all understood about this IoT. Thank you.